Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making a light, fluffy sponge cake. It's so luscious. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's mix the wet ingredients. In a bowl, separate egg whites from the egg yolks. I would like to thank you for taking time to watch my video. Thank you so much for your support. You do not have to use this gadget. You can do this manually. Add a pinch of salt to the egg yolks, then beat them. You beat them until they are blended. Apologies for the noise in the background. Beat the egg whites for 45 seconds. Then you will add your fresh lemon juice. A warm welcome to the new subscribers and viewers. I hope you love it here. Beat them for another 30 seconds on medium speed. If you don't have a hand mixer, continue with the whisk. Gradually add the sugar as you beat the whites. Do not add the sugar all at once. It needs time to be processed. Beat until they are stiff peaks. Please check the description box below for a list of ingredients and more information. You can test that your egg whites are beaten to the correct consistency by overturning your bowl and the contents do not spill. Add the yolks to the whites and whisk until they are all blended. Stop immediately when you see that they are blended. Let's do the dry ingredients. In a bowl, sift in flour, then add the cornstarch or corn flour as some call it. Add the baking powder. You may sift the dry ingredients about 3 to 4 times before you start mixing them with the wet ones. Gradually sift in the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, stirring in between using a spatula or a spoon. As you mix, check for dry flour spots. Mix well. Let's not forget to add moisture, otherwise it would be like we're eating cardboard. In a small bowl, mix oil with milk and vanilla essence. If you are new to this channel or you are a regular visitor, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It is free to subscribe. Mix a small amount of batter with the oil milk mixture before adding it back into the batter. Add the mixture back into the batter and mix with a spatula. If you notice, we're no longer using a machine now to avoid over mixing. Here I had to add more milk for a loose flow of the batter. We know that milk will bring even more tenderness to the cake. Grease the pan with oil and then line it the bottom with the non-stick paper. Pour the batter into the pan. Then swirl the skewer in the batter. Then gently shake the pan and tap it. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Then cool it for 10 minutes before removing it from the pan. Carefully run a knife around the pan to loosen the cake. If you do not cool your cake before taking it out of the pan, it will break. Please press the like button and comment below to add value to this video. I did not have the non-stick paper and I used a wax paper. That is why it got stuck. You may cut the cake once it's entirely cool. It's so fluffy and delicious. Look at that. I hope you will enjoy this cake. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.